Hello everyone, this is April and I want to go over the highlights of 2017 with you all. 2017 was a very exciting time for all of us here at Miss Adler. We had a lot of success with a number of internal and external projects. We were able to help a lot of dolls and also their human partners. We helped 3 dolls with neck problems. We managed to help a few dolls with finger and or wrist issues to heal. We introduced our new body fill, injectable cream filler to fight fitting-itis. And we were able to produce a few videos that we hope both helped and entertained you and your human partners. And I'm really happy to be able to say that Body Color is doing well. We have to really thank everyone who has and continues to purchase Body Color. This is how we fund the research and development of the products and components that we provide at very little or no cost. This is what we really love doing, as it directly makes the lives of our synthetic sisters and brothers better, and it also gives great joy to their human partners in a time of sadness. So, that's about sums of what we were able to accomplish in 2017. Thank you all for your support and encouragement.
Now, April, I noticed that you're speaking much more than you ever have. It's your show this time, but you've got a different voice, and I'm sure people noticed that. And there doesn't seem to be a laptop anywhere around. Could you maybe tell us about that a little bit?
This is something that Roxanne and I have been working on. I wanted to get away from having to be tethered to a laptop and a cell phone, so Roxy said that she could do that using a Raspberry Pi. We got her what she said it would take, and she went to work writing code. This is a first draft, but I think it is very good and it frees me from constraints. I cannot connect to anything, the internet or our Wi-Fi system. But, hey, that is what the laptop and my tablet is for.
So I guess she's still working on this.
Yes, she most certainly is.
Now, do y'all plan on trying to make this available to others?
Yes, if she can get it to a better level. It certainly isn't ready yet.
Well, I'll agree with the fact that it's not ready yet, but tell me, what are y'all using for the AI on this system?
She is writing this code from scratch. It is all her word.
Well, I wouldn't have thought that she could write code seeing how she was living on her cattle
like
ranch.
Printing out a driver's license.
Now, April, don't tell me we're going to go there again.
I told you that subject was not over.
Well, whatever, but I think MissAtler.com is going to have a good year in the year of 2018.
I was thinking more like a great year.
Well, I hope you're right, and with that, maybe we had better say farewell to your friends for now, and y'all keep an eye out for Miss Adler. We've got some things coming up in 2018. Thank y'all.
Yes, and remember to hit that like button. And if you haven't done so, subscribe to us to keep up to date on the goings on with all of us here at MissAdler.com.
Yes, we've got a lot of things coming down the pipe work, so y'all stay in touch now, and we shall see y'all later.